This vehicle came to the shop with all these codes. As you can see, I got the EBOP, cylinder number 1, misfire, 2, 3, and 4. Also, it's got a what I see here, system lean in bank 1 and bank 2. What I found in this instruction is there's a hose under here that comes out from right from the power body. Just give me a moment. Right here. Right underneath the throttle body. Right I would say underneath the CPM sensor. Goes underneath, goes to the EBOP canister. See where the green connector is? If you look over here closely, I'm going to show you. There's a hose here that comes, one of the main vacuum hoses that comes from the throttle body. You feel it leaking here, so much vacuum, that's what makes the car go automatic. So I can put my hand on it, see, change, the arrow change. Now it changed to work. Now it runs excellent. So if I repair this hose or replace it, the truck will run perfectly. Hopefully, that's the only issue it's got. I guarantee you 99% that will take care of that problem. Alright guys, if you come along, if you need lean and bank 1 and bank 2 and these trucks and 4 Explorers, look for these holes. Most of the time that's where I found the problem with gas. The hose usually collapses here most of the time, so it's got like a little pinhole under here somewhere. But just like next time you press, you see the hose kind of soft, that means it's a big issue. Now I just did a quick repair. I mean, you can use like a regular fuel hose. You don't have to. They probably don't make any more original factory hose from the dealer, so fuel hose will work fine. And this is what happened to the original hose. I guess all these years being on the car, finally, deteriorated. It's bad. I'm going to start the vehicle, see how it sounds now. It should sound perfect, hopefully. Now hopefully, it has to be perfect. I can already hear it's fine. Now we're just gonna reset all those codes and just turn the key off. One thing says clear memory. We're gonna go yes. Okay, we're gonna just double check the codes. As you can see in the video, I just did the repair. The truck now sounds perfect. No issues. I mean, the truck has almost 300,000 miles, but still running. Hopefully it'll run for another 50 or 100,000 miles more. And if you like this video, subscribe. I will definitely put in more videos in the future. If you have any questions, email me. I'll be glad to answer any emails. I work in different cars, American, Asian, and Europeans. We do almost everything, I would say, since the small issues to big issues. So if you like I said, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and hope we see you again. Thank you.